Hi there, welcome back. I thought it would be fun to take you guys along with me in the next couple of days of my life as we round out the rest of the work week and then have a bunch of fun plans this weekend. We also may be picking up another Facebook find. I didn't even show you guys the last Facebook find, so I will have to show you guys probably the best score I have ever had on Facebook Marketplace in my whole life. Like, you won't believe me when I told you what I paid for this thing. Granted, we are in the process of redoing our whole living room, so you're gonna have to keep that in mind when you judge the current situation. But anyways, it's now about 5:30 or so on a Wednesday. I'm wrapping up some work for my 9-to-5 job, and now I'm about to start working on a video that's supposed to go up today. Currently in the middle of posting every day of August. Mostly as just a challenge to myself. We'll see what it does for the analytics, but for any of you guys watching, thank you. But I'm gonna get back to editing and I will try my best to take you guys with me in the next couple of days. There's a whole bunch of fun things going on. A little bit of mix of work, fun, friends, all kinds of things. So, see y'all later. From late night. Actually, it's not even that late. It's legit 10:30. But I unfortunately just now finished my video that's supposed to go up tonight. And last night when this happened, it took like 4 or 5 hours to export. So we'll see if this video goes up on time. Hope it does. But I can't use my video editor while it's exporting, so I think I'm gonna go get my Kindle and go read a book. Haven't had a chance to do that in a while, so this was kind of a happy accident. But otherwise, I think that probably is calling it quits for tonight, and I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow, probably after work. Alright guys, welcome back. It's now day 2. It's about 6 o'clock or so, and I have to start making dinner here soon. But my husband could not wait the 11 more days until my birthday. And so he went ahead and surprised me with the Apple headphones, Apple AirPod Max, I think is what they're called. These things cost that much money. Are these noise canceling too? Yeah, super.
Yeah. Did you hear anything? Did you hear anything?
I can't even hear you right now.
It's a success!
That's crazy.
I was yelling top of my lungs
Are
up.
you serious?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Mostly because he games for his scholarship and he is incredibly loud at times, and so mostly he bought it for himself and for me, that way I can't hear him when he's screaming. Excuse you. Yeah, that's gross. But anyways, I need to edit a whole nother video yet again and hopefully get this one posted before midnight. For some reason last night, I knew it was going to take a while, but it took almost all night. It wasn't done until about 5 or 6 in the morning from what my computer was showing. So that video went up today at 6, which means it's kind of going to be a double posting day if I am lucky. But I'm going to get to work on editing this video. That way y'all can hopefully see it. And then make some breakfast for dinner because quite frankly, we've been gone for the last couple of days on an anniversary trip.
This is my beautiful wife. Look how stunning she looks.
Such a goof. Anyways, welcome back. Today is really day 2 and our first full day down here in Pensacola. It's not really the vacation that I thought we were going to take. I think we're mostly just taking time off from work and just everyday stresses of life. We're just straight up chilling out down here in Pensacola. We're currently on our way to McGuire's for lunch, but other than that, I don't know how often we're going to be getting out of the house, other than just for meal purposes, honestly. We're hoping to go to the beach, but we did bring our boys with us, and so I think they're a little stressed out in the new space. Overall, it's been good so far, but we'll see what we get up to just with the circumstances and all.
It's like preparing for a kid.
That's why they say people get dogs before they have a kid. So after decades of coming down here to Pensacola, I decided it was finally time to buy myself the McGuire's cookbook. You cannot tell me that cover is not just so cute. And I did not do any grocery shopping, any of that before having left either, so kind of bare bones, and the only thing I have is some eggs, some leftover veggies, and some frozen sausage that I went ahead and de-thawed. So we're working with what we got today, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up so hopefully I can cook dinner here in like hour and a half or so. But we'll keep you guys updated. Are you cuddling me on the couch? Yeah, is that why I'm covered in dog hair? Yup. How cute. Hey guys, so can't believe I'm just now checking with you guys, like actually face to face. It's probably about 8 o'clock or so now. It is Friday night. I'm outside with the boys throwing ball and letting them play since it's nice and cool out here. Heck, I think it's actually like only in the 70s, which is super nice. It's been in the 90s, almost 100s in the day recently. So it's really nice to have a cool night time for them. They love it. I'm pretty sure they could stay out here all night if I would let them. But anyways, I have just tidied up the house, cooked dinner, worked on a video for a little bit. I need to go finish working on that a little bit more. And otherwise, I think for the most part, it's gonna be a pretty chill night. Kind of want to go do a nice little soak in the bathtub, glass of wine, good book, if you know what I mean. But other than that, I think that's kind of a wrap on tonight. Tomorrow, though, is looking pretty promising. We are planning to go to the farmer's market in the morning, and then as a date night, upcoming birthday treat, we're gonna go to Callaway Gardens, which isn't too terribly far from here, and just go wander around, maybe play around putt-putt. I heard they had mini golf, so we'll see. But I really wanted to go paddleboarding. But anyways, where we used to live, there was a lake right across from our neighborhood. And so it's super easy to go take the blow-up paddleboard out and just go for a little evening ride or go on the weekends. Haven't done that since last fall, so almost a whole year at this point, and I just really miss it. So the plan is to go paddleboarding tomorrow, but I'll take you guys along for all the fun. And then Sunday we have church, and then plans with some new friends of ours to go check out their house and their garden and all their setup there that they're pretty proud of. So we're looking forward to that. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun weekend. Yeah.
Good morning. Oh.
Just a little bit of farmer's market this morning. Okay, so the farmer's market was basically only 5 vendors this morning, but I did pick up a plant for a friend. So I guess there was some good out of it, but otherwise, kind of a bust, no produce left. But now I think we're gonna head over to Home Depot to go pick up some stuff for the yard, and then I guess go have breakfast at home since there's nothing here. Alright, good morning guys. It's Sunday. I know I did a terrible job of vlogging yesterday. It was our date day, so I just decided to take the day off of filming. That way we could spend some good time together. But now it's Sunday. We're about to run off to church because we're very close to being late if we don't leave in like the next 2 minutes. Dogs are outside, and then we're meeting up with friends after church, which I'm so excited about. So we'll see how much of that I film, and then probably the rest of today will be a reset and get prepped for the week to come, as well as finish editing today/tomorrow's video. Whoop, okay, time to go. Went to the ice cream shop in town and got some milkshakes. This was their summer milkshake. It was an orange cardamom. One second. Okay, it was an orange cardamom ice cream mixed with pina colada. Tell me that does not sound like a summer dream. That's what they probably should have named it, Summer Dream, not Summer Breeze. But anyways, we're heading back home to go pick up a Walmart order real quick because your girl didn't want to go grocery shopping. I prefer to go on the weekdays when there's nobody there. So take it or leave it, but we gotta hurry up and go get that. We're a little bit late, but ice cream's more important. So catch you guys in a bit. All right, so we're back home now, obviously. I actually decided, since it was still nice out, to go fill up the like adult kiddie pool that we have. It's about 90 or so outside right now, and I haven't actually been out in the sun aside from, what are you doing? This little rascal. What are you doing? Crazy boy. Yeah. Anyways, though, decided to go quiet. Anyways, I was saying that I decided to go fill up the kiddie pool so that I could just go lay out in the water and read a book for a little bit. I just posted my YouTube video, so I can say that that's done for today, and I feel pretty good about it. I do feel like, since I am still Would you really? Since I am still kind of editing videos that are older in time, they weren't necessarily that well filmed, and it's kind of just like my beginning stages of trying to be on YouTube and just film vlogs for you guys and for myself too, honestly. And so it's kind of just been a learning curve. It's a little bit hard to watch yourself sometimes when you're beginning to just start vlogging because it feels so awkward. And I'm sure you guys can see that in the videos too, like you're not blind. And so I just hope that you guys like it, or if nothing else, I hope that for me one day looking back, it's just fond memories. But anyways, right now it's a whole different tangent. The video's up. I'm probably gonna throw in a load of laundry real quick and then get changed and go head out and just hang out by the pool. I say that as if it's like a true pool. I'm gonna go sit in my adult kiddie pool and enjoy the summer sun while it lasts.